Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve question number 1 of GATE 2013 physics paper. The question is for mathematical physics. The question says that fx is a symmetric periodic function of x, that is f of x is equal to f of minus x. Then in general the Fourier series of the function fx will be of the form. So we know that the Fourier series expansion can be written in the following form: fx is equal to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos of n by x by l plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sine of n by x by l. So any periodic function fx can be written in this form, which is called Fourier series expansion. So any periodic signal can be represented as a summation of sines and cosines. So this is a mathematical representation of this thing in terms of Fourier series expansion. So we know these coefficients are given as a naught is equal to 1 by 2l minus 1 minus l to l fx dx. Similarly, an is equal to 1 by l minus l to l fx cos of n pi x by l dx, and bn is equal to 1 by l minus l to l fx sine of n pi x by l dx. Now if a function is periodic, then the first term will be there. Then let us look at the second term. For example, let us calculate first term. Even if we just replace even if we just replace the in the first term a naught fx by f of minus x, so it will be same. So a naught will remain same, because since it is a symmetric function, so even if we replace x with minus x, fx will replace same, so this will exist. Similarly, an will also exist, because f of x, if we just replace x with minus x, then it will be f of x, and cos of minus n pi x by l will be cos. We know cos is an even function. So by it means cos of minus n pi x by l will be equal to cos of n pi x. So it will also, this a naught coefficient will also have some values. Now we look at the bn coefficients, then fx is symmetric or even, we can say. So f of minus x will remain f of x, but sine is an odd function. Therefore sine of minus n pi x l by l is equal to minus of, so minus sign will come out. So now we just integrate it, since it's an odd function. So if we just integrate it, so this integral will vanish out. We just integrate it from 0 to 2l. So this integral will vanish. Therefore all the bn coefficients will be 0. You just evaluate this integral. Since this is an even function, this is an odd function, so total combination will be odd, and hence the integral limit is from minus l to plus l. So if we just do the integral, it will be 2 times 0 to l. So it will just integrate it, and we can write this integral in this form and just integrate it and evaluate this integral. It will come out to be 0. So all the bn coefficients will be 0. Therefore we are only left with a naught and an. Therefore the Fourier series expansion will be in the form of a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity cos of nkx. So this term. B1 is the right option because in B1 we have both A0 and AN coefficients. So cos of nkx. Okay, so yes, B option is the right option for this question. Thank you for watching this video.